Okay, so audio's recording, that's recording, we're good. One of the hardest things about starting a business is that you need to learn everything yourself. You need to become a digital marketer, a web designer, a product researcher, and an accountant, even though you've had no experience doing any of that before. And you need to do all of these things while doing one of the most rewarding, challenging, life-changing things, and that is starting a business. Now, I can't make starting a business easier for you. Either you'll put in the work or you won't. But in this video, I will make it easier to learn the skills that you need to start your business. That's because today I'm going to share 10 free online courses for entrepreneurs. Whether you need to get smart on Facebook ads, master email marketing, or use your time more effectively, you will find a course on this list that you're going to want to sign up for today. Intro animation. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Oberlo. If you're new here on this channel, we talk a lot about entrepreneurship, marketing, and how to handle this new COVID-19 economy. If you're one of the black sheep that's using this time to learn new skills, build a business, and otherwise change your life, then you belong to this community. Subscribe so that you don't miss our new videos, community posts, and stories coming out every week. Enough of the intro stuff, let's launch right into our list of free online courses for entrepreneurs. I want to start out by talking about digital marketing courses because I know a lot of you have told us how hard it is to master digital marketing. So the first course that I recommend is Google's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Google created this course specifically to help people grow their business or jumpstart their career, and it's perfect for both. It's one of the best free courses around because, well, Google, and you can dive into the course at any point of the course or take it from beginning to end. There are a lot of lessons within the course that are valuable in their own right, and since the course is free, there's nothing to lose to sign up and then cherry pick the actual lessons that you want. The other really cool thing about Google's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing is that you get a certificate after you've completed the whole course. And you can add that certificate to your resume or to your LinkedIn profile. And having a certificate from Google is never a bad thing. If you're looking for a way to boost your digital marketing skills, start with Google's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Of course, we can't talk about online marketing without talking about Facebook. That's why next on the list is Facebook's Blueprint. Facebook is a powerful asset for anyone who's selling online. There's really no other ad platform as powerful as Facebook, and there's probably no other ad platform as confusing and frustrating as Facebook. The Facebook Blueprint demystifies a lot of what's confusing about this platform. It teaches you how to get started with advertising, target the right audience, convert leads, and more. Essentially, you'll find all the information you need to get started with Facebook at your fingertips and for free. All you need to get started is a Facebook account, and then you can simply log in and select the broad topic that's most interesting to you, or start exploring all of the topics. If you don't yet have the budget for Facebook ads, then a great way to start marketing right now is through organic social media. However, if you're new to social media, that too can be a really complex world to dive into. That's why I love this third free online course on our list. It's Buffer's Social Media Strategy course. Now, I love Buffer and I've used it personally. They are one of the top brands when it comes to mastering social media. I just want to note, however, that Buffer's Social Media Strategy course is definitely for people who are just beginning. That makes this course perfect for you if you're just starting to get into social media for your own company or for another brand. With this course, you'll be able to develop your brand voice on social media and create content that your audience wants to see. This is a free course, kind of. It's hosted on Skillshare. Right now, if you sign up for Skillshare, you get your first 2 months for free, and that's plenty of time to take Buffer's Social Media Strategy course. Just make sure that unless you want to poke around Skillshare, you cancel before that free 2-month trial is over. Otherwise, you will get charged. The next free online course you need to know about, especially if you're beefing up your marketing skills, is Wishpond's Email Marketing Masterclass. Email is such a powerful marketing tool, but it overwhelms lots of entrepreneurs. They get really hung up on what they should automate and what campaigns and flows they should use. Luckily, this course simplifies all of that and breaks it down for the beginner. Okay. In this free course, you learn how to build. In this course, you learn how to build your email funnels and even In this course, you learn how to avoid common email marketing mistakes, build your email lists, and then create funnels that will make those email lists convert into customers. Whether you need to get started on email marketing for your day job or for your own brand, this is an excellent free online course to start with. Let's move on from marketing courses to more all-encompassing entrepreneurship courses. And if you'll forgive me for a little minute of vanity here, I want to mention Oberlo 101. Oberlo 101 is great for people who want to start an online business but don't want to risk a lot of money on the upfront investment in inventory. That's because Oberlo 101 takes you through all the steps to start and scale your very own dropshipping business. If you're not already familiar with the dropshipping model, it's a really popular business model that retailers around the world use. Instead of worrying about inventory management, you spend more of your time focused on marketing, building your website, and converting browsers into buyers. Now, Oberlo 101 usually costs $49.95 US, but until May 15th, we're making Oberlo 101 free for everyone. And as soon as you sign up for free, you have lifetime access to Oberlo 101 for free as well. There's no time like the present. Sign up for Oberlo 101 if you want way more of me talking to you about how to build a business. The next free online business course you should be aware of is Shopify Compass. Okay, so Shopify Compass isn't actually a single course, it's even better than that. It's a platform of all kinds of courses that you, the entrepreneur, need to grow and scale your business. What's cool is these courses are offered at different skill levels. So if you're watching this video and you're not a total beginner, head to Shopify Compass. You'll find intermediate and advanced courses there too. If you are a total beginner, head to Shopify Compass. You'll also find courses that are geared towards students who are completely new to this online entrepreneurship stuff. And even better, once you sign up for Shopify Compass, you get access to a community of entrepreneurs, and there's nothing better than being able to bounce ideas with other people who are also starting their own business. And you even get invitations to special events. So Shopify's really throwing all they've got at you. If you sign up to Shopify Compass, there's a ton of value and it's free. The next few classes that I want to mention in our list of free online courses have to do with design. Customers are visual creatures. When they see it, they like it and they want to buy it. But if what they see is a bad product photo or a poorly designed website, they're not going to buy. So you need to improve these skills so you can convert your browsers into buyers. That's why the next free course on our list is Photography Course. No marketing gimmicks here. It's like the most straightforward course name you could possibly imagine. Photography has always been a valuable skill for entrepreneurs to have, but in the past, photography required so much upfront investment in time and so much upfront investment in money for all that gear that very few entrepreneurs bothered to learn it. You do not have that excuse anymore. Anyone with an iPhone can take stunning photos that they can then use on their website as product photos and as social media content. Now, of course, anyone with an iPhone is not currently taking those stunning product photos, and that's because you still need to learn a few skills in order to get the most out of the equipment that you have. Enter photographycourse.com. Photography Course offers a range of courses so that whether you're a beginner or a more intermediate or advanced photographer, you'll find something there to help you up your skill level. The other free online design course that I want to mention is Canva's Design School. I love Canva. I think it's a shortcut to make any graphic look like 100 times better. And what I love about Canva's Design School is that they have a whole range of classes to help you take your images from blah to wow. These are great courses for anyone who wants to know how they can better use the elements of design in their marketing materials, in social media, and on their website. Guys, I have never started a dropshipping business without using Canva to create my social media posts. It's just such an easy tool to use that I strongly recommend you go take Canva courses, check out the Canva tool, because you're shortchanging yourself and your business if you don't take advantage of free online courses and free tools like this. The last two courses are a little something different. These are skills that a lot of entrepreneurs don't even think about, and then they get burnt out and then they quit while the other entrepreneurs go on to make 5, 6, 7 figures. The skills I'm talking about are productivity skills. Guys, if you don't learn how to manage your time smart, your new business will run you into the ground. Luckily, there are a few online courses that help you develop your productivity skills so that you can get more done more efficiently. The first that I want to mention is Highbrow's productivity course. Now, unlike the other courses, this is actually a course that's set up as a series of emails that you receive. How it works is you receive 10 emails over 10 days, and each of those emails has about 5 minutes worth of reading material in it. One of the reasons that I love this format is that it allows you to learn and then implement small changes to make yourself more productive on a day-by-day basis. Another cool thing about this particular course is that you'll get productivity tips from the likes of Angela Merkel, Oprah Winfrey, and Elon Musk. An all-star cast like that will almost definitely get you all-star results. So sign up for this free online course because you have nothing to lose and so many productivity insights to gain. Finally on our list of free online courses is Asana Academy. This is another productivity course, but this course is a little different. That's because the Asana course focuses on the Kanban methodology of structuring your work. I personally love having a visual representation of the projects that I need to get done, and I love being able to break those projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. That makes these big projects feel a lot less intimidating, and I'm more likely to see progress on them throughout the time that I'm working on them. That's why I think Asana Academy is one of the best free online courses in 2020, and I highly recommend you check it out. And like the Google course that we talked about in the beginning of this video, you can also earn a certificate with this Asana course that you can put on your resume and on LinkedIn. Now it's over to you. Which of these courses are you going to enroll in next? And did we leave any free online courses off of this list? Let me know in the comments below because I read them and I respond to them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week on Oberlo's YouTube channel.